Today, 5 new cases of coronavirus were announced. The newest this evening from Matagorda County, a woman there in her 60s. Let's take a look now at the overall number. The total in our area is now up to 28. That is 11 cases in Harris County, including 5 in Houston. Fort Bend has 9 cases. Montgomery County has 4. Galveston County 1 case. And also announced today 2 cases in Brazoria County near Alvin and 1 in Matagorda County. Now, the continued rise of cases across Harris County has officials quickly working to come up with a testing system that's easily accessible to more of the public. Tonight, Judge Lina Hidalgo explained what the county is doing to try to slow the spread of the virus. Channel 2 Sally Mamdouh live with that part of the story. Sally?
Yeah, Sion, many of us are wondering what this testing system will look like, who will be able to qualify for it. But Judge Lina Hidalgo today talked to us that they're still working about figuring out those logistics of what this testing will look like. However, they tell us it's a very important testing system that needs to happen as soon as possible. Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo says she's spending most of the weekend with officials from the Texas Medical Center and the city to build a testing system that will help the county better understand the scope of the coronavirus.
One thing we hear a lot from health officials is they want to see and they need additional testing capacity to be able to accurately assess what's happening.
The city of Houston tweeted Saturday that the Houston Office of Emergency Management and the Houston Health Department are preparing for an expanded COVID-19 testing starting next week, and FEMA has now offered to assist with one of the 2 mobile sites. But just what these mobile sites will look like and where it will be, that's something local officials are working on as we speak. But Hidalgo says the goal of these testing sites is to be effective, safe, and accessible.
It needs to be accessible, it needs to be safe. I mean, we're not going to want people standing in a setting where they may be infecting one another. So, I don't know, you can call it drive-through. Perhaps one will be and the other one won't be.
But Hidalgo says right now people need to follow the guidelines to help contain the virus from spreading. The guidelines range from canceling any large gatherings, working from home if possible, limiting visitations to nursing homes, and anyone at risk like the elderly population. Those with underlying health issues and expectant mothers should limit interactions.
And this week in particular could be a turning point for us in one direction or another. And so we have got to follow those guidelines.
And one thing she also talked about, she's urging people not to just stock up in bulk because she says it impacts people that can't find these kind of things like toilet paper at grocery stores. She's saying it's okay to load up for 2 weeks, but it's not okay to hoard these items because others will be impacted during this time. We're live in West Houston. Sally Mamdouh, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Sally, thank you.